This video is highly requested from some of my subscribers that watch my ginger and Vaseline hair pomade. They asked me to make it with Vaseline, ginger and cloves. So this is the video here right now. So if you want to grow your hair faster, longer, this will help to promote your hair. This pomade is more powerful than only the ginger. You know, adding it to cloves is another level. Taking this hair pomade to another level, it will help to prevent hair fall, hair breakage, thickening up your hair, grow your hair super fast and longer. So please watch this video to the end to get all the instruction on how to prepare this recipe and also how to use it for best results. My first ingredient is ginger. This is the amount of ginger I'll be making use of. I've already washed the ginger very well and tap out excess water on it. You know, I always like to use the skin of my ginger. So if you choose, it can peel off the skin of the ginger. But believe me, using the skin of the ginger together, you'll be having extra benefit on it because the skin of the ginger also have its own benefit in our hair. So I'll be using my knife to douse this ginger into a small sizable. Ginger hair improve circulation of the scalp, stimulates each hair follicles, promotes longer and strong hair, control dandruff, strengthen hair, prevent hair fall, stimulates hair growth, condition your hair, prevent premature graying, prevent hair loss, and also contribute to restore moisture loss to hair. So next thing now is my cloves. I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoons of cloves. This amount of cloves I'm making use of, I transfer into my ginger mixture. So cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contains vitamins, minerals and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair growth. I use my local mortar to pan this off camera. After panning it, this is what I have so far. Next thing is my blue sea Vaseline, my original blue sea Vaseline. Make sure your blue sea Vaseline is original one and make sure that your blue sea Vaseline is not expired, okay? So I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoons of my blue sea Vaseline. Next is my hair pomade, Soulmate's hair pomade. Use any hair pomade you have at home, okay? Any hair pomade you have around you, please make use of it. I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of this hair pomade. So next is my carrier oil. I'll be making use of castor oil, okay? So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my castor oil, 2 tablespoons of my extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of my coconut oil, okay? If you have addition oil, you feel like you want to add it, please make use of it, okay? You can add more oil on it, okay? So after adding the oils, I will stir it around. I forgot that I was doing double boiling method, so I need to transfer it into this stainless plate because you can't use rubber plates to do double boiling method, okay? So I transfer into this my stainless plate and I will continue stirring them together. Make sure that all the ingredients and the oil have married themselves very well. After mixing it very well, my water is already on fire boiling, so I'll transfer my mixture bowl on top of the hot water, but I'm trying to lower the light, okay? Do not use it in a very high flame light, okay? So I'll keep on stirring this time to time, stirring it. I will allow this to infuse only about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, so that the ingredients can infuse into the pomade, okay? So that everything can infuse very well to make sure this pomade is very effective. As you can see, my hand is hurting me. Honestly, it's not easy, but it is what it is. So as you can see, I'm still lowering the light. Make sure the light is not that high, okay? So I like the flame of the light now. You can see the light is not that high, so I keep on stirring it. Please make sure I keep on stirring this so that the ingredient can infuse very well. If you leave it like that, it will not infuse very well. Stirring it will help it to infuse fast. Okay, so at this moment, as you can see, the oil has started floating up, meaning this recipe is almost ready. And also the ingredients have also changed in color. Once it is ready, once it's 7 to 10 minutes, I bring it down. Once I bring it down, do not allow this to cool down, because if I allow it to cool down, it's going to be solidified. So I bring my bowl and my shift cloth to shift out this immediately as it's hot. Please, I know that it's going to be very hot, it will burn your hand, but just manage, okay, so that once this thing solidify, if you allow this to cool down to solidify, you cannot strain it out. Okay, so to strain it out and get all the pomade out very well is when it's still hot. Okay, so I'm going to strain it, squeeze it very well, make sure that I bring out all the pomade out. Okay, why is in a liquid form. Okay, so it's not going to be easy, but try to do it this way so that it can get all the pomade out of the chaff. Okay, so after squeezing it, this is what I have so far. So next thing, I bring my 2 capsules of my vitamin E, and I'm going to put it in and mix it thoroughly so that everything can mix up very well. If you have essential oil, any of your hair growth essential oil, at this moment you can drop in your essential oil. After mixing it very well, make sure I have mixed it very well. I will cover this and allow it to solidify. Don't put this in refrigerator. I do not put it in refrigerator, just keep it on top of my cabinet and it solidify. Less than 30 minutes, this is ready to be used. So after 30 minutes to 35 minutes, this is what I have so far. It have solidified very well. You see how beautiful this hair pomade is. This hair pomade will keep your hair long-term moisturized, grow your hair. As you can see, the ingredients we use to prepare this hair pomade, they are very beneficial in growing our hair, stimulate hair growth and stopping hair fall, keep our hair super moisturized. So I'm trying to show you this. Okay, my camera is not focusing well. You see how beautiful this hair pomade look like. Honestly, this hair pomade will give you what you need. With moisture, guarantee of length retention. If your hair is not moisturized, if your hair is not retaining moisture, your hair will be breaking off. But with this pomade, guarantee of length retention and also moisturize your hair with this. You can use this hair pomade once in a week. You can use it twice in a week. It depends on how your hair lasts moisture. But if your hair lasts moisture enough, believe me, this can last for you moisture once in a week or highest 2 times in a week, and your hair will look healthy and grow. You can use this whether your hair is in protected hairstyle or not. Suppose you have access to your strand of hair, suppose you have access to your scalp, please make use of it and grow that hair while that hair is in that protected hairstyle. Okay, or if you want to store your hair in protected hairstyle, you can just first of all apply this on your hair before you go ahead and put that hair in protected hairstyle. Believe me, you will see how your hair will flourish. Your hair will look so lovely and the shine is on point. This will give you natural shine. It's not greasing shine, natural shine. Your hair will look so amazing. Vaseline is another great moisture lock. Vaseline can grow your hair like never before. Lock in moisture. If you are not retaining moisture, using Vaseline on your hair is a game changer. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and subscribe. Believe me, you're not going to regret it joining this beautiful family. And this channel, I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer, fuller with DIYs without breaking the bank. Okay, so if you want to grow your hair this year, consider this channel a channel that you need to stay to, a channel that you need to subscribe. Okay, and turn on your post notification bell. Let's grow our hair healthy, longer this year. Let's grow some inches this year. I'm into the journey. Let's see how we'll grow our hair with DIYs that I share in the channel. Believe me, you will see how your hair will change. Okay, and please help me to like this video. If you have not liked it up to this point, help me to like, okay? You help the growth of the channel, and share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news of this video. So for those that request this video, I hope that you got what you want, okay? So let's grow our hair healthy longer this year and have length retention, because length retention is the goal of long hair. If you are not retaining length, you will not have that long hair, but if you are retaining length, you will definitely have long hair, okay? So this pomade will help you for that length retention. This pomade will help you to see in your moisture. This pomade will help to stop hair breakage and so many other benefits to be gotten on it. This is another part of me. I always like singing. I always like playing song whenever I'm filming for you guys. So this is it. So I'm playing Christian song at this moment, and I'm carried away with the song. So I just want to show you guys how happy I am filming this video with you guys. And also I hope you enjoy watching the video. And also I wish you all your hair goal this year. You're going to achieve that if you're being consistent, okay? Try to be more consistent on your hair growth journey, and believe me that your hair goal this year, you're definitely going to achieve it. So guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.